With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In the question, it is given that you are given with the solution of alkali. In order to estimate its concentration in terms of normality, you need to know. So we are given that the solution is of alkali, and if we want to know the concentration in terms of normality, that is, if we want to know the normality, then what we will need according to these options. So first of all, let us see the formula of the normality. As we know that the formula of the normality can be written as normality is equal to number of gram equivalents divided by volume of solution. So this is the formula of the normality, and in this formula the value of the number of gram equivalent is equal to the number of gram equivalents is equal to mass or weight of the solute, or here we are given with alkali, mass of alkali divided by the equivalent mass of the solute or the alkali. So here we need equivalent mass of alkali. So according to it, if we want to know the concentration in terms of normality, then what we need? First of all, we will need the volume of the solution, and secondly, in the number of gram equivalent, we need mass of alkali, and second is the mass of alkali, and third is the equivalent mass of alkali. So if we write, then we can write here that first we need the volume of solution, then we need mass of alkali, then we need the equivalent mass or equivalent weight of alkali. So these three things we should know to measure the concentration in terms of normality. So let us move on to the options that is given to us. The first option is the volume of solution. Yes, we know volume of solution. Then volume of alkali present in it and its formula weight. We do not need the volume of alkali nor the formula weight, so this will not be the correct option. Second is mass of the solution and mass of alkali present in it and equivalent weight. We do not need the mass of solution, we need the volume of solution. Here should be volume. So in the third, we are given that volume of solution, then the mass of the alkali present in it, and then the equivalent weight. So this is the correct option. So let us see the last option, the mass of the solution. We do not need mass, we need the volume of the solution and volume of alkali matter and its equivalent weight. So this will also be incorrect. So correct option will be C, the volume of solution, the mass of alkali present in it and its equivalent weight. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.